Good morning. Today's August 6th, and here's a quick market update for the Martin, St. Lucie, and Palm Beach County areas of Southeast Florida. And going to the MLS, we've added 248 new listings in the past 24 hours. Only 136 have sold. The current 30-year interest rate for the national average is 3.21%, according to bankrate.com. And I want to highlight that there are going to be 307 open houses this weekend in the Treasure Coast area. So I'm going to post a link where you can find those, and I'll be doing one in Hope Sound. This is at 10880 Southeast Stern Lane. The community is called The Harbor. It's walking distance to the beach, shops, restaurants. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,605 square foot, oversized 2-car garage. It's a concrete block structure home, and it's in a boating community with a marina and dry boat storage. Quick access to the Jupiter Inlet and also the St. Lucie Inlet. So if you have any questions about open houses coming up this weekend and real estate in the Treasure Coast area, please do give me a call. My name is Joe Capra, and my phone number is area code 772-999-1979. I hope you have a good day.